If you're tired of those achy joints slowing you down and holding you back from the things you love, you're definitely not alone. Whether it's arthritis, an old injury, or just the wear and tear of life, joint pain can be a real drag. But what if I told you there's a natural, simple solution that could help ease that pain and get you moving freely again? That's right. Castor oil, that old school remedy your grandma might have used, has some surprising benefits for joint pain relief. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to harness its power. We'll talk about the science behind why it works, the best ways to use it, and even some DIY tips for creating your own soothing castor oil treatments. So get ready to say goodbye to those achy joints and hello to a more active, pain-free life. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please consider joining our community of beautiful, empowered young adults, men and women over 50, by subscribing to my channel. Your support means the world to me. I know you're probably wondering, can this sticky stuff really help my achy joints? Well, it might sound surprising, but castor oil has been used for centuries to relieve pain and inflammation. Let's dive into some common questions you might have about using castor oil for joint pain relief. Does castor oil really help with joint pain? The answer is a resounding yes. Castor oil is rich in a unique compound called ricinoleic acid, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It works by reducing the production of prostaglandins, which are hormone-like substances that contribute to pain and inflammation. When you apply castor oil to your joints, the ricinoleic acid is absorbed through the skin, where it can directly target inflammation and reduce pain signals. This means less stiffness, less swelling, and ultimately, more relief for those achy joints. Can it help with arthritis pain? Yes, indeed. Studies and anecdotal evidence suggest that castor oil can be beneficial for both osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis is caused by wear and tear on the joints, while rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease that attacks the joints. In both cases, inflammation plays a key role in pain and stiffness. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help to soothe the joints, reduce pain, and improve mobility. It's a natural alternative or complement to traditional treatments, providing much-needed relief for arthritis sufferers. Is castor oil safe to use on a daily basis? In most cases, castor oil is safe to use on a daily basis for joint pain relief. However, as with any natural remedy, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to avoid using castor oil unless advised by your doctor. Otherwise, most people can safely use castor oil topically for joint pain without any adverse effects. What's the best way to apply castor oil for joint pain? There are a few different ways you can use castor oil for joint pain relief. Massage. Gently massage the oil into the affected joints for a few minutes. Castor oil packs. Soak a piece of flannel cloth in castor oil, place it on the joint, cover with plastic wrap, and apply heat, like a heating pad or hot water bottle. Mix with other oils. Combine castor oil with other anti-inflammatory oils like turmeric oil or ginger oil for added benefits. We'll dive deeper into these methods later in the video, so stay tuned. Now that we've addressed those common questions, let's dive into the science behind how castor oil works its magic on achy joints. It's not just an old wives' tale. There are real mechanisms at play that make this natural oil a powerful ally in the fight against joint pain. Anti-inflammatory action, the key to pain reduction. Remember that superstar ingredient we mentioned earlier, ricinoleic acid? Well, it's the key player in castor oil's anti-inflammatory action. When you apply castor oil to your skin, the ricinoleic acid penetrates deep into your tissues and goes to work. It inhibits the production of pro-inflammatory molecules, like prostaglandins, that contribute to pain, swelling, and stiffness in your joints. By calming this inflammatory response, castor oil can significantly reduce pain and discomfort, giving you much-needed relief. Improved blood circulation, the healing highway. Think of blood circulation as the highway that delivers essential nutrients and oxygen to your joints. When blood flow is restricted, your joints don't get the nourishment they need to heal and repair themselves. Massaging castor oil into your joints can stimulate blood flow, essentially widening that highway and allowing those healing nutrients to reach their destination. This improved circulation can speed up healing, reduce inflammation, and alleviate pain. Pain-relieving effect, a natural analgesic. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, ricinoleic acid may also have a direct impact on pain receptors in your body. Some studies suggest that it can interact with these receptors, reducing their sensitivity and decreasing the perception of pain. This means that castor oil not only tackles the underlying inflammation, but may also provide a natural analgesic effect, offering relief from the throbbing, aching, and discomfort associated with joint pain. So there you have it. Castor oil is not just a folk remedy, it's backed by science. Its powerful combination of anti-inflammatory action, improved circulation, and pain-relieving effects makes it a valuable tool for managing joint pain and improving your quality of life. Now, for the fun part. Let's talk about how to actually use castor oil to massage away your joint pain. It's a simple yet effective technique that can bring immense relief. So roll up your sleeves and let's get those hands moving. Preparing your castor oil. Before you begin, it's best to warm up your castor oil slightly. You can do this by placing the bottle in a bowl of warm water for a few minutes. Warm oil is more easily absorbed and feels soothing on the skin. Plus, it's just plain relaxing. Now, pour a small amount of the warm oil into your palm and rub your hands together to distribute it evenly. Gentle massage techniques. Remember, the goal is to be gentle and soothing, not to aggressively rub your joints. Start by applying light pressure and using circular motions to work the oil into the skin. Gradually increase the pressure as you feel comfortable. Focus on the areas where you feel the most pain and stiffness. You can use your fingertips, palms, or even your knuckles to massage the oil into your joints. Move slowly and deliberately, paying attention to your body's signals. Specific techniques for different joints' knees. Start by massaging the area around your kneecap, then move down to the sides of your knee. Use your thumbs to apply gentle pressure in a circular motion. Hands. Massage the palms of your hands, then work your way to each finger, gently pulling and rotating them. Focus on the knuckles and joints where you feel stiffness. Wrists. Apply the oil to your wrists and use your thumb and fingers to massage in a circular motion. Move your wrist around gently to help distribute the oil. Other joints. The same principles apply to other joints like elbows, ankles, shoulders, and hips. Use your intuition and focus on areas of pain and tension. Tips for effective massage. Relax and breathe. Take deep breaths to help your body relax and release tension. Use enough oil. Don't be afraid to use a generous amount of oil to ensure smooth, gliding motions. Be consistent. Massage your joints with castor oil regularly, ideally daily or every other day, for optimal results. Listen to your body. If you feel any pain or discomfort, adjust your technique or stop the massage. Remember, massage should feel good. So take your time, enjoy the process, and let the healing power of castor oil work its magic on your achy joints. Now let's take our joint pain relief to the next level with castor oil packs. These packs are a simple yet powerful way to deliver the therapeutic benefits of castor oil directly to your achy joints. While massage is great, castor oil packs offer a deeper level of penetration and warmth, potentially enhancing the pain-relieving effects. What exactly is a castor oil pack? A castor oil pack is essentially a cloth soaked in castor oil that's placed over the affected joint, covered with plastic wrap, and then heated. The warmth helps to open up your pores and allows the oil to penetrate deeper into your tissues, where it can work its magic. I have included links to these products from Amazon in the description or comment section to make it easy for you to find them. Don't worry, it's not as messy as it sounds. The plastic wrap keeps the oil contained, and you can even use a heating pad or hot water bottle for a relaxing, spa-like experience. Why use a castor oil pack for joint pain? Castor oil packs offer a number of benefits for joint pain relief. Deep penetration. The warmth of the pack helps the oil penetrate deeper into the joint, potentially providing greater relief than massage alone. Enhanced circulation. The heat also helps to improve blood circulation in the area, promoting healing and reducing inflammation. Relaxation and stress reduction. The warmth and gentle pressure of the pack can be incredibly soothing, helping to relax tense muscles and ease pain. Detoxification. Some people believe that castor oil packs help to draw out toxins from the body, further promoting healing. How to make a castor oil pack. Gather your materials. High-quality castor oil like we mentioned before. Sky Organics, Kate Blanc Cosmetics, and Heritage Store. Links in the description box below. unbleached flannel cloth, large enough to cover the affected joint, plastic wrap, heating pad or hot water bottle, optional. Check links in the description box below for easy access. Soak the flannel cloth in castor oil. Pour a generous amount of castor oil onto the cloth until it's saturated but not dripping. Apply the pack. Place the oil-soaked cloth directly on the affected joint. Cover the cloth with plastic wrap to prevent staining and keep the oil in place. If desired, place a heating pad or hot water bottle over the plastic wrap to provide warmth. Relax and enjoy. Leave the pack on for 45 to 60 minutes. Remove the pack and gently massage any remaining oil into the skin. You can reuse the flannel cloth several times. Just store it in a plastic bag in the refrigerator between uses. Castor oil packs can be used as often as daily or a few times a week, depending on your needs and preferences. It's a safe and natural way to find relief from joint pain and inflammation. Now that you're armed with all this knowledge about castor oil for joint pain relief, let's talk about the tools you'll need to create your own at-home spa experience. While castor oil is the star of the show, a few additional items can make your journey even more effective and enjoyable. Castor oil recommendations, your trusted allies. In previous videos, we've explored some fantastic castor oil brands like Sky Organics, Kate Blanc Cosmetics, and Heritage Store. Links in the description box below. If you purchase, I make a small commission at no cost to you at all, but it helps me to create more great content for you guys. Sky Organics Castor Oil, the multitasker for hair and skin. If you're looking for a versatile castor oil that works wonders for both your hair and skin, Sky Organics is a fantastic option. It's USDA certified organic, cold-pressed, and hexane-free, ensuring you're getting the purest, most potent form of the oil. What I love about this brand is that it comes in a generous size, so you can use it liberally on your scalp, hair, and even your skin. It's also incredibly budget-friendly, making it a great choice for those of us who want maximum value for our money. Kate Blanc Cosmetics, Castor Oil, the Lash and Brow Queen. If your main concern is thinning eyebrows and eyelashes, I highly recommend checking out Kate Blanc Cosmetics Castor Oil. It not only comes with the high-quality organic oil you need for hair growth, but it also includes a convenient eyelash and eyebrow kit for easy application. The included brushes and spoolie make it super simple to apply the oil to your brows and lashes, ensuring every hair gets its fair share of nourishment. The formula is gentle yet effective, and many users report seeing impressive results in terms of thickness and fullness. Heritage Store Castor Oil. The trusted classic Heritage Store is a brand that's been around for ages, and for good reason. Their castor oil is a classic favorite among natural beauty enthusiasts. It's certified organic, cold-pressed, and available in a large bottle, so you'll have plenty to use for all your hair care needs. This castor oil is a great all-rounder, perfect for scalp massages, overnight treatments, and even DIY hair masks. Its quality and purity have stood the test of time, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking to revitalize their hair. These brands offer high-quality, pure, and organic castor oil that's perfect for both massage and castor oil packs. They're my go-to choices because they're reliable, affordable, and most importantly, they deliver results. So, if you haven't already, check out those videos for in-depth reviews and recommendations. Check the links of the videos in the description box below. Flannel cloths, the perfect castor oil pack companion. If you're planning to use castor oil packs for joint pain relief, you'll need some unbleached flannel cloths. These cloths are soft, absorbent, and ideal for holding the castor oil against your skin. I recommend getting a few clothes so you can rotate them while others are being washed. You can find unbleached flannel cloths at Amazon. Link in the description below to make it easy for you to get. Essential oils, a touch of aromatherapy for extra relief. Adding a few drops of essential oils to your castor oil can enhance the pain-relieving and relaxing effects of your massage or castor oil pack. Some popular choices for joint pain include lavender. Known for its calming and soothing properties, lavender can help to relax muscles and ease pain. Great products for lavender that I recommend for you from Amazon. Links in the description for easy access. Artisan Lavender Essential Oil. This pure and natural lavender oil is steam distilled from the flowers, ensuring a high-quality and therapeutic-grade oil. It's known for its calming and relaxing properties, making it perfect for aromatherapy and skincare. Plant Therapy Lavender Essential Oil. Another excellent choice, this lavender oil is certified organic and sourced from small family farms. It has a sweet floral aroma and can be used for various purposes, including stress relief, sleep improvement, and skincare. Peppermint. This cooling and invigorating oil can help to numb pain and reduce inflammation. I recommend these powerful peppermint products from Amazon. Links in the description box below. Clyganic USDA Organic Peppermint Essential Oil. This peppermint oil is pure, organic, and steam distilled from peppermint plants. It has a refreshing and invigorating aroma and is often used for headaches, muscle pain, and digestive issues. Or Acacia Peppermint Essential Oil. This oil is also a good option, known for its purity and quality. It has a strong, minty scent and can be used for aromatherapy, topical applications, and even in culinary creations. Ginger has warming properties that can improve circulation and alleviate stiffness. Pure Body Naturals Ginger Essential Oil. 100% pure therapeutic grade ginger oil. Can be added to carrier oil for massage or used in aromatherapy. Known for its warming and invigorating scent. Always dilute essential oils in a carrier oil like castor oil before applying them to your skin. A few drops are all you need to add a therapeutic touch to your self-care routine. Where to find these products? You can find all these recommended products on Amazon. I've included links in the description box below to make it easy for you to find them. Remember, investing in quality products will enhance your experience and maximize the benefits of castor oil for your joint pain relief journey. Well, my dear friends, we've covered a lot of ground today on the power of castor oil for joint pain relief. We've talked about how it works its magic through its anti-inflammatory properties, improved blood circulation, and natural pain-relieving effects. We've explored massage techniques and the soothing benefits of castor oil packs. And of course, I've shared my top recommendations for high-quality castor oil and other helpful products that can enhance your journey to pain-free joints. Be sure to check out the links in the description box below for more information and to find the perfect products for you. Remember, you don't have to live with chronic joint pain. Embrace the power of natural remedies like castor oil, be patient with the process, and prioritize your well-being. You deserve to move freely and enjoy life to the fullest. Before you go, I want to invite you to check out my next video, where we'll be diving into some fun and creative castor oil beauty hacks. You'll be amazed at how versatile this oil can be. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. And if you haven't already, be sure to watch my previous videos on castor oil for mature skin and hair growth. You can find the links in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care of your beautiful self and embrace the healing power of nature.